Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shivani and I'm vlogging today. Today is 26th of March and I am working from home. The reason why I'm actually putting this out here is because this vlog is very special because I have been procrastinating like crazy, which means to say that even the basic tasks for the day has been so difficult. So what I do right now is gonna be very important. First of all, to-do listing. You already know I use the planner from Akiko. If you don't know about it, I probably have mentioned in one of the vlogs in the past, but anyway, so this is the planner. I'm going to write down every single thing that I'm going to do today, and I'm going to take you along with me as I complete my to-do list, fetching a pen. So first of all, today has been difficult simply because it's a work from home day and I have been super lazy and sleepy. So we will not lose on productivity and we will make sure ki we somehow get through today. Okay, so first off, the top priorities, first one would be, okay, I have like a lot of things, so I'm going to brain dump. I'm doing a brain dump like to you guys on camera, but I have to be very specific about my to-do list because if it gets too overwhelming then I will not be finishing it and I hate to not finish it. So top priorities for today will be work, of course. So I'm gonna put here I will finish all the tasks slash follow-ups slash issues for today, which means to say I'm writing very clearly ki I will finish the tasks, follow-ups and issues for today. And then when it comes to the upskilling side of things, today I will spend 1 hour of my day into finishing some mandatory trainings. So I'm going to write 1 hour mandatory training, finish one. So I'm not doing too much, I'm doing the bare minimum and it's still okay because as long as I'm being productive and it's like I'm winning. Okay, that's the main thing that I want to say. So first up is what I told you, and secondly the trainings. The third one will be I would like to do 1 hour today of Udemy because I have a course there which needs attention, so I'm gonna do that. 1 hour of Udemy. So we have put out 2 hours for upskilling. This is with respect to the org, but when it comes to personal stuff, I think I also need to put aside 1 hour for something different. So let's just say I'll put out 1 hour of learning. What should I learn? I should learn something interesting, right? So I think right now my first and foremost the priority would be AI because that's something which is booming, and of course I have a course which I was working on and it has been long pending since quite a while and the content is actually available. I gave up on the course midway because I stopped feeling interested towards it. But now I recently got a call from the coordinator and she was like, you have a choice. You can actually start again like in a new batch, or if you think you can do the course on your own and finish the modules easily, then you can do that as well. So I will put 1 hour of learning for AI. And honestly, the course which I picked up was like super technical for me and it was going way above my head. She said it's not going to be an easy journey, of course, but it's not going to be impossible as well. So you have to keep pushing. So I will try doing that. But on the contrary, if I cannot sit with that for long, then I will put aside some time. Instead of that AI, I will put something for another topic which I'm really interested again in AI only. So I'll just put this saying that 1 hour of learning for AI and the other AI. So basically these are my four priorities, like the top ones. I'll just tell you again what it is. 1 hour of AI, 1 hour of Udemy, 1 hour of mandatory trainings, and completing all the tasks and issues and follow-ups assigned to me. So these are non-negotiable top priorities. Next up, I want to do today like a little bit of journaling because it's been ages since I actually journaled, and I also want to read. So I'm putting out some time for reading and I will put timestamps. I'll put some time slots as well. Like when I'm gonna do it, it's probably in the night. I would like to read today for about 30 minutes and I would journal for about 15 minutes. Cool. Next, I need to dry clothes outside, so that is gonna be like 5 minutes of work. and the clothes have already been put in the washing machine. I did that in the morning. I just have to like remove it outside and put it in the sun for drying, and I have to have a bath. It's pending too. Yeah, because I'm feeling so unproductive. Because I'm feeling super unproductive today, I have to be like super mindful about every single task that I'm doing because I don't want to mess up. So bath would be about 15 minutes. I also want to do a face mask today, like a face mask, face sheet mask, I would like to call it. And also, maybe I could do a clay mask also. I'll think about it. So I'll just put a slash or a plus clay mask. So this way I'll know that I have to do some self care. And one thing has been there in my mind since quite some time ki I want to gym. Like I was gymming and I took a break, and that break has been happening since the mid of Feb, and I feel so horrible about it. Like when was Feb? Feb was almost more than a month back, and I really have to gym. So I'm gonna put one gym session of, let's say, 1 hour. I want to explore a gym which my friend was telling me about. It is in a place that's close to my house, about 2 kilometers or something. So I want to go and gym there. That's the gym part. And yeah, these are the stuff which I plan to do today. And of course I'll be vlogging throughout and show you the segments of my day. So I hope you guys stay tuned. And right now the time is 1:05 p.m. So I know this video has gone up to 6 minutes, but I'm going to try to show you snippets of every single task, and I'll tell you in the next part of this video how I'm feeling after finishing all the tasks. Currently I'm feeling overwhelmed and I feel like it's so much to do, but then again, if you focus one small baby step at a time, I think it's doable. So yeah, let me see you guys in some time and I'll take you along. So stay tuned and bye. Hey guys, the time is 2:26 right now, and on the first priority task which I had listed, that is tasks, follow-ups as well as issues. On the task side, I am done with almost all the tasks. Just one of it is left amongst the 5. उसका मैं थोड़ा time लेके करूँगी because I still have about 4ish hours for my work day to end. So yeah, the first one's already done. Now I'm gonna go have a shower. But before that, I also want to tell you that I did make some time to shoot a small video on one of the products which I'll be talking about on my channel one, The Jigglypuff. So if you're someone who is interested to watch beauty, skincare and lifestyle kind of videos, you can tune into The Jigglypuff, which is my primary YouTube channel. So this is my, I wouldn't say primary YouTube channel, I would say the first YouTube channel, and this is my second one. The first one, I kind of bracket myself into posting only those things which are revolving around beauty, food and lifestyle, and this is more of my creative channel where I just unleash myself and be my Shivani authentic self. Obviously both channels have different personalities and different ways of how I put things forward, so you will know the difference when you kind of tune into both. So now shower time, उसके बाद मैं sheet mask या face mask कुछ तो लगाऊंगी, and again I'll probably wash my face. And what else is left for today? Yeah, the 3 hours of upskilling is remaining, so I hope I'll be able to make sure कि I will sit from 3 p.m. to probably 5:30 or 6. Even if I can't do 3 hours, I'll target to do at least 1.5 hours, wherein that is a concept of tricking your mind. Okay, so you basically put a Pomodoro timer. In my case, I have a bunny. I have a study bunny. So I use study bunny on my phone. I'll show it to you. So let me show you how it looks like. Study Bunny is one of those apps which I just stumbled upon very randomly when I was using App Store one day, and this is how it looks like. It's loading up. So that's the bunny that you see, and यही वो चीज़ है which is gonna help you study. So you need to the bunny is sad right now because it's been a while since I actually used it. So you have to set a timer, like for example 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, depends upon your study slot. And उसके बीच में you cannot use this phone, okay? It just stays on this particular app only, and you let it face up and you just let it be and you start doing your work. Once it's complete, you will earn coins and you will earn a carrot or something based on the number of coins you have on the app. I find this very, very helpful because if you're someone like me, you will also find it helpful because it keeps your phone away. Basically you cannot use it, right? So तुम कोई भी चीज़ अपने फ़ोन के साथ नहीं कर सकते हो except for like calls and messages and stuff. They just keep popping in sometimes, but you will not be able to use social media and all the other apps. So that way I think it's awesome. So try करके देखना, you also try it, and yeah, that way I'm gonna do the upskilling part and I'm happy about so far. जो कुछ भी मैंने लिखा है, I think it's definitely doable, and I'll see you soon in another part of the vlog. Okay, chalo, bye. Right now the time is 8:05 and my to-do list looks great, but I haven't checked out most of the things. I'll be very honest with you, but I did have some wins for the day. First, let's go into the to-do list. I was able to finish the tasks, follow-ups and issues whichever was assigned to me today, so that's a huge win amongst the priority tasks. But when it comes to the mandatory trainings as well as Udemy and I was not able to do even a little bit. So I'm still gonna hope that I still have time, right? Assuming that I sleep by around 11 p.m., I still have an easy 3 hours. So I'll try to do at least a little bit of those learnings before I give my next small snippet of the vlog. Apart from the to-do list, I was interested to do two new things today. So I decided I will show you what I did. This is a coloring book which I have, and I actually colored. Yeah, this is a new book called Calm and Cozy, and it's an adult coloring book. Basically a coloring book for adults. So you've got like very cute, aesthetic and beautiful would say prints, and you can color them according to your imagination. Put the colors, go crazy. It's a very grounding exercise, and I feel so focused and calm when I do this. So that's why I love doing this. This is the book. I will try to show it to you guys. One sec. Let me yeah, that's how it looks like. So this is what I did today, and I cannot really focus that well on it. I'm trying to. I just put my name and I did this coloring. It was just a first step, whenever I think of doing something new, or if I feel like let me just try something new, so I feel good about it. But when as the time goes, sometimes I lose that progress or I lose the consistency. So I hope I'm consistent with this habit of coloring. It again totally depends upon what kind of a mood I am in, so everything is very different every single day. But I was happy that I could spend some time doing that today. And the second thing what I did was, it's right in front of me and I want to show it to you guys. This. Yep. So I made a very nice cup of cold coffee, and it beats a cafe coffee. It's crazy, it's awesome, and I absolutely love this. You want to know the recipe, you have to literally just follow me and I will tell you the recipe in one of the videos. Or if you just want to know like a quick recipe, I'll put that in my first channel. That will be the Jigglypuff, so you can like check it out over there. It's a very simple recipe which I finished in like less than 5 minutes. It is so easy to make. If you're someone who is craving for a coffee in the summer, a cold one, then this is so good to make. So yeah, just sipping this coffee and reflecting on the day. I could have done better with the face mask thing, and I couldn't gym today. I vlogged, so that's a win. So I have to put a tick for the vlog, isn't it? So I'll just fetch my pen which I'm using for this. And yeah, I vlogged. Gym nahi ho paya. I couldn't do the face mask yet. I couldn't read yet, and I have to journal, which I didn't do yet. So basically, I have 4 ticks, which is 4 tasks were complete amongst how many? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 tasks were done out of 11. I'm hoping I'll be at least able to tick about 50 to 60% of this list. Let's see how it goes. For now, I'm gonna just enjoy my coffee, and I'm going to edit my YouTube videos which I've shot so far for both the channels, and I will also be editing videos for my Instagram handles as well. So there's so much to do. I have been procrastinating the editing. To be honest, every day morning when I wake up, I wake up like 5 and 6. And the first thing I do is take my phone and I begin the editing, because early morning voice is a little heavy, so I don't do the voiceovers, but I try to edit. But the last, I would say, a week or so, the editing has been on and off. So I really have to do it because I always batch schedule the videos. I do not post them on the everyday basis. So everything is done for this month, that is March, and April is coming very soon. It's in the corner, so I have to finish scheduling the videos because I want April to have like a lot of content whichever is there in my phone. And it's also because I feel like content phone mein rakh ke kya karenge, it's just gonna be there, it's just gonna lie. And I have got so many vlogs like this which I keep shooting and I don't edit them and they are just gone, so they occupy space, okay, and they don't even go on YouTube. So I feel really bad about it. That's why I am vlogging aaj hi. Like, I started the vlog in the morning and I'm continuing it till the night, and it will go live today. Also, I'm having a cramp right here, so I've been observing that having good amount of water is helping with the cramps. So cramp or cramps, PS, or just the cramp, okay. I don't know why I'm stressing on the spelling so much, but the point is, whenever I have that cramp, water has helped. So I'm just gonna go grab some water as well and finish my coffee, and I'll see you soon with another update at the end of the day, and that will probably be the last snippet of the vlog. Stay tuned, you all, and lots of love. Hey guys, welcome to the last part of the vlog. So I'll tell you everything that I did out of my to-do list. First of all, my to-do list had about 14 points right here, as you can see. तो इसमें से first thing I finished was I completed the tasks, follow-ups and the issues which was assigned to me today, which I'm very happy about. And मैंने उसे follow-up भी किया था in terms of mail and all of it, which is the work part. Upskilling wise, I couldn't do anything and I do feel bad about it. I was supposed to do like AI, Udemy as well as some mandatory trainings, but मैं नहीं कर पाई. It's okay. I couldn't journal and read as well, which I'm feeling a little bad about. But on the flip side, on the good side, or on the sunny side, I was able to dry the clothes outside. मैंने shower भी लिया, a good one. And I did apply the sheet mask, which you must have already seen in the video. I couldn't gym, but I did shoot multiple videos. I vlogged this as well, and I'm really happy कि I'm able to finish this vlog today. Apart from that, some new things which I did, which you already probably know, is I made cold coffee today, salted vanilla cold coffee, which was so tasty. But the sad part was when I went to wash the cup / the glass, it fell down from my hand, it broke. So I had to broom the whole thing and it was very heartbreaking. Koi baat nahi, things happen, mistakes happen and accidents happen. So you just gotta move on from it. So that was what happened today, but I'm happy that I made the cold coffee and had it for like the last time in that particular cup / glass. Then today when I said I shot videos, I shot 2 videos. I'm reading it from this, okay, because I've like written everything जो मैंने किया है आज. On the other side, my friend called, so I was talking to my friend, and I also had a conference call with all of my friends, and I did housework today. It was intense because my back is hurting for some reason. I'm having like cramps and stuff. So that happened, but I'm happy I was able to complete the housework, which is something I do every day from the last 3-ish days. And I have decided that, you remember I told you that I will do the 26E challenge, which is basically the 2026 edition challenge. I'm thinking of renaming that into 75 soft challenge, or I would call it 26E soft challenge. I'm still deciding between the term. Probably 75 soft challenge would make some sense. I will decide the rules later on. अभी के लिए this challenge of mine मैं करूँगी अभी, या पॉज करके पहले 26E चैलेंज को कंप्लीट करूँगी, उसके बारे में मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. मैं सोचूँगी ज़रूर, बट आई एम हैप्पी दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स हैव बिन टिक्ड एंड आई कुड हैव डन मच बेटर. गिवन दैट दिस व्लॉग वॉज लाइक वन ऑफ दोज व्लॉग्स जहाँ मैं अपनी टू डू लिस्ट को कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. I am feeling happy so far. I do feel good because I may not have done everything on the to-do list, but some progress is still progress. So yeah, that's about it. This is your sign to write a to-do list every day and to record your progress. You just have to work towards it and tell it out loud, maybe journal it out loud, or talk to someone who you think you can talk to. Ki today these are the things I did, these are my wins, and it actually feels so good. It feels so satisfying. And with that, I'm ending this Chotusa vlog slash to do list day. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care, bye, and lots of love.